just got the key for our new unit. Let's check it out. So this isn't the first time I've seen it. Obviously I viewed it when it came available. This is 3.5 times the size of where we are now. But yeah, we've got some big plans for this place. It's not got much, it's pretty much a blank slate. So the first thing will be, next week we're gonna get the floors all coated in light grey resin. We're gonna start painting some of the walls. So we're in the second week of this unit. Dylan and Nathan have been doing a great job putting all this racking in. We've bought 15 uprights and about 70 beams, second hand on eBay, they've all gone in. We're just putting the last one up now. And I've been in here, just boxing up the kitchen, just putting the last few cabinets. We've got 4 cabinets mounted on a French cleat on the back. Then we've got a dishwasher, fridge, and then we'll put a countertop in and then a bit of floor. We'll be done in here. So we've had the keys for about 2.5 weeks. We're here on a Saturday. We've moved all of the stock across from our other unit and we're just organising all the new racking that we've built. It's all been finished shelving out now, so we've got loads of cardboard stock moved in and we're organising all the easy peel. So this is Rob. He's been my best mate for life, but now he's from Atkinsons of Cheshire. So Rob and John have been in here this week building this kind of addition. So when we got this unit, there was already a bit of an office there, and Rob and John have kind of improved it because there was a weird kind of stud wall. Stripped that out, finished off the office that was existing, and then they've added this far more solid office. This is what we've been calling phase 1. It's quite a big room, but it's actually quite small in comparison to what's going to be the phase 2 job.
It's a warm-up.
This is the warm-up, yeah. The whole mezzanine is going to be massive, so you've got quite a task on your hands. But they've done this in 2 days. Not even that, to be honest, because I was taught chewing their ear off for a good an hour each day. So it's like, so they've smashed that.
10 brews a day.
10 brews a day, and they've smashed it. So we got loads done in the first 2 weeks. I'm absolutely buzzing about how much work we've accomplished in that such a short time. Subscribe to the channel, make sure your notifications are turned on, and then when we put part 2 out, you'll see what's next in store for our new unit.